Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will see Hentai OS review for Google Pixel 6. Hentai OS is available for Pixel 6, 6a, 6 Pro and Pixel 7, 7 Pro. I've been using this ROM for a month now and it is the best ROM I had ever used on Pixel phones. It's even better than the stock ROM. And currently I'm on a security patch update that was received yesterday only. And followings are the change logs for it. Fix for issue occasionally causing connected Bluetooth devices or accessories to silently unpair autofocus improvements. While using macro focus in certain situations, fix for issue occasionally causing instability while using certain USB devices or accessories. As you can see, by default you will get a Pixel 7 wallpaper. And this ROM uses Cheetah device build fingerprint for OS. In the settings panel, you will get the all same features as stock ROM. In the network settings page, you will get the same settings page as the stock or AOSP ROM. The battery backup on this ROM is very impressive. I mean very good battery backup on this ROM you will get. It is better than stock as well. Ideal drain is 1.28% on this ROM. You can see the battery stats here. You can change your screen's brightness, font size, display size, rotation settings, and more. In colors. In natural, see the most accurate colors. In boosted, see accurate colors with more vividness. This is on, by default for Pixel 2. In adaptive, see the most vivid colors. And keep color details. This is on, by default. In saturated, see the most vivid colors. In About section you will get the updater built-in for OTA updates. Yes, you heard right, you will get built-in OTA updater like stock ROM. As you can see, I'm on the latest build, that is the 6th of May 2023. Let me show you the About section of this ROM. As you can see, the Android version is Android 13. And latest security patch of May 2023. And Google Play Service update as of now is April 2023. And the build version is of May 2023. ROM is so smooth and the animation is also smooth of this ROM. This is what it makes this best for Pixel 6. Let me show you the smooth animation of Gboard while typing. Just look at the animation, there no jitteriness or any lag while animations. If you are wondering about the camera, don't worry, you will get the stock Google camera here and you can also reinstall or update it through Play Store. Camera UI is also smoother than the stock Android, and it also processes the photo faster than the stock ROM. You will also get all the Google Photos editing features, like Magic Eraser and Blur option. As already told you, ROM is so smooth as compared to stock ROM. And animations are also smoother than stock ROM or any other ROM for Pixel devices. And features like material UI theming is also supported here, as it's introduced in Android 12. Just look at the smooth animation while scrolling. I'm just loving it. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.